The world is today dumbfounded by the attack of this coronavirus, which is the dreaded virus which is now broken out all over the world. Today, in this video, I'm going to discuss the outbreak and transmission of this dreaded disease. And at the end of the video, I'll give you the final research result which identifies the animal which is thought to be the source of this particular disease. So I would request you to please go through the video in detail so that you can understand the outbreak and transmission and all you need to know regarding this dreaded viral virus known as the coronavirus. This, as you know, has been originated in Wuhan, China. The date has been identified as the last date of last year, that is 31st December 2019. The exact location has been identified as at an animal market in Wuhan, China. As of January 25th, 2020, about 1,300 people have been infected and about 41 people have died. This number is feared to go up with every passing day. Now, where has this spread to? China and Asia are the major affected areas. Reports have also come in from Australia, France, and USA. Now, what is the coronavirus? This is basically an RNA virus, which is ribonucleic acid as its genetic material. It is actually all over the place and usually causes the common cold, along with also some other diseases. So, what's so unusual about this one? This virus seems to have jumped from an animal to a human. There are plenty of coronaviruses which are infecting animals. It seems for the first time such a virus could have jumped from an animal to a human. So, what could have happened? It could be from a mutation. What happens is that there is a mutation in the protein in the virus that allows it to bind to human proteins. This allows the virus to get inside the cells of humans. If it can replicate, it can spread through the human body. Then perhaps it can spread to another human body. So what needs to happen here for the mutated virus to spread to the human body from the animal is that there has to be a close contact with the animal, either living with the animal or eating the animal. So how does it grow? It seems that this virus can replicate within a human body. And once it has infected a human body, it can get passed on to other humans as normal epidemic. But how does it spread? It spreads in the first place as airborne. That is why we should wear masks. The second way it can spread is by close contact with a loved one. The third possibility is by contaminated surfaces. That is why you need to wash your hands very carefully, especially after contact with any animal. The fourth is fecal contamination, but it seems that is a rare possibility. So these are the possible areas of prevention. In the history, we have seen that in the recent past, that there has been similar virus attacks which has been happening in the world. Like in 2002, there was the SARS. This was a virus transmitted from bats to a mammal called civets, which were being eaten or living close to humans. This, of course, has not happened to be heard of after 2004. Then there was MERS, MERS in 2012, which was basically prevalent in the Middle East. This was a virus which infected in the camels. And if the camel's meat were eaten or the camel's milk was drunk, humans would get infected. Now it is the new coronavirus nCoV 2019 as it is being called. In fact, it seems to have been detected on the last day of 2019, that is 31st December 2019, originating, as I said, at Wuhan, China. The question is, what is the source of this virus? What the medical researchers did was to sequence this RNA virus and compare it to 200 other coronaviruses that are known to infect animals. What they found was a match which came up extremely close to that of snakes. So the conclusion was that in the animal market at Wuhan, there possibly was a snake which had that mutated coronavirus, nCoV as we call it now. Some human either ate that meat or somehow got physical contact with that particular snake, which is how he got infected and the virus replicated inside his body. They have also found a whole family who had been to that animal market that particular day, and all of them had been hospitalized with that particular virus. This report, which I have just read, is an analysis of the coronavirus outbreak and its transmission, which was published today, that is on the 27th of January 2020, by pulmonologist Dr. Roger Seholt, MD. If you appreciate this video, please like and share this video with your friends, and also request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications. I make similar informative videos which you will be notified on. Please also leave your comments on this particular video or any other video which you might want to receive. Thank you for watching.